What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car discussion channel here on YouTube. Just give my thoughts and reactions on what's going on in some of the videos that some of the car YouTubers post. So on today's quick episode, just going to cover Robert Mitchell's video about Lamborghini's STO run for the record of Nuremberg. That's what we're going to be reacting to. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do check out my other videos. As I said, it's just my thoughts and opinions, just reactions, stuff like that. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff and you just fucking smash the subscribe button, and even better if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does help. Become part of the channel. I do read all of your comments in the comment section below, so please do make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think about the story that's coming out, and I do bring up your comments every Sunday as well, as long as there's comments there. Also, if you want to hit me up on my Instagram, my DMs are always open. If you ever want to send me any stories or have a chat with me, or just come on if you're interested in coming on for a podcast, have a chat. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to make this a very interesting, different channel. But yeah, and on the project car side of things, we're kind of still, I don't know what's happening there, but you know, it's just the way things are panning out at the moment, guys. So let's jump into today's video. Robert Mitchell, if you don't know who this guy is, so Robert Mitchell is the guy that literally dissected and tore SSC Toyota's record run apart. He really broke it down, and he was one of the people invited for their rerun. So he does have a good bit of credibility with this video. Basically, in a nutshell, guys, I'm just going to give what I understood coming from this video and try and wrap it up in a very kind of small, quick way. I highly recommend go checking out Robert's video in the link in the description below. It's a very good listen, just because he points out some very, very good facts and things that will kind of, you know, point out if you were a possible buyer for the STO to why, with them going for this record, it could be questionable if they do it. So basically, guys, what's happening here is Lamborghini have went to the Nuremberg to basically try and go for the record to beat the Performante. The record is 6:52. And they basically did a test. So what he's basically saying is they did a test. It looked like a proper STO, but then they ended up renting the track out privately to make the run, I think. But the original car, or the car that was doing the run, looked way more modified than the actual original STO. And basically what he does in this video is point out things that he thinks has been adjusted to make it faster, to try and beat the record, to say it's, you know, the STO is quicker than the Performante, you know, for people that are interested in buying the car. That's basically what he's saying. Now, from what I got for it, I'm just, you know, like a lot of people watching, just listening and trying to take in what he was breaking down. He's basically pointing out the glass, the front glass had dimples in it, that wouldn't have in a normal STO, because he's comparing it to Shmee's walk around. When Shmee did his walk around the STO, you know, he's comparing to all the bits and pieces that were on the one that looks like it was doing the test run. Also pointed out that the glass door, when it was closed, it kind of, you can see the guy kind of pushing it, it kind of flexed in, as in with the STO, it would, you know, come down a small bit when you're opening it and go back up. Another thing he pointed out, he said the rear ring looked like it was adjusted. I can't remember what he said exactly, but for air flow, that was adjusted as well, it looked like. And the main thing for me was basically that really kind of made sense was the racing fuel. So, you know, a normal STO, as he said, and it does make sense, you wouldn't put racing fuel into a normal STO because it's not mapped for the fuel to run it. So it's going to basically decrease the power and not run properly because it's not mapped to run on that fuel. That's the biggest thing for me. Now, basically what he's trying to say is that if they are going for the record, at least make it a genuine STO. So my question to you guys is, if you were going to go buying an STO, you know, would you rather than run the proper STO? Because what Robert's basically saying is they're going to try and maybe, there could be parts in there and bits stripped out to make the car lighter, to make it faster, to beat the record. That's basically it. We don't know. He's just observing these things. And if Lamborghini do come out, they haven't come out with the record yet, or they haven't officially said they've beaten it or what they've done. They might stay quiet about this. We don't know. But if they do come out and say they've beaten it, there's going to be a lot of questions asked of like, you know, what exactly was inside the car, the outside, what was being run. There's going to be a lot of questions because of Robert pointing these things out. And I feel like, you know, if I was potentially buying an STO, I would not be happy because you can't get these parts. They're not going to be upgrades that you can get for the STO. So why would they run it parts on, you know, modified STO that's going to beat the record that you can't get on the original STO anyway? So that's basically what he's pointing out in the video, guys. I highly recommend go check it out. Shmee150 did comment below on his video and basically just said, I have no doubt the STO is going to be an incredible car. And I'm very excited for the arrival of mine later this year. However, nothing is more important than honesty and transparency, as we learned with the SSC Touratara last year. Let's hope there's no intent to pull the wool over our eyes, which I mean, you know, after seeing that, you just don't know. So we'll have to wait and see what Lamborghini come out with. Questions need to be answered if they do break the record, and you know, from Robert pointing these out. Again, guys, as I said, watch the video yourself, make up your own mind, maybe come back here and give your comments in the or your thoughts, opinions in the comments below. You know, for me, I hope, you know, there isn't any iffy shit going on here, and that, you know, we'll see what happens. But so far, it doesn't look too good. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out. But great video by Robert. Highly recommend go check it out, guys, and come back and let me know what you think. So that's it for today's quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, guys, please do smash that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And all my regular commenters and viewers, do smash that like button, like squad. It'd be fucking very appreciative. So, guys, until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.